bros and hams, hams and bros, bro hands, and of course, ladies. Now, this is another episode of 2 AM Bedwars, so, get your crazy pants on, because we're going to do some wacky challenges. Alright, in this challenge, I'm going to be trying to get as many silverfish as I can, and I think the goal will be 1 stack of silverfish. So, yeah, basically the idea is to use the silverfish like snowballs in Sky Wars, which would be pretty cool. So, yeah, I don't know which way people are gonna go. Did Aqua fall off the map? Is Aqua in the game? Yeah, they are. So either pink or Aqua's gonna go for me. Okay, Aqua's going for me, so that's cool. Die. Yes, we got him. Alright. We're still on full health, which is pretty darn great. Die. Yay, we got him. Thank you, sir, for hitting me. Okay, you hit me in 3 hits and I was dead. That's kind of lame. Yep, yes. No, my mouse is hitting my keyboard. It's alright. I kept turning left, so my mouse just kept getting closer and closer to my keyboard until it hit it. That's pretty nice. What's this guy's name? He has YT in his name. Put this on YouTube. So now Blue and myself are the only teams left, so that's pretty cool. I don't know which direction they're going to come from, but I kind of just want them to chase me a long time until I can get a bunch of silverfish. So, I mean, if they could do that, that would be great. Alright, I knew it. I knew he was going to go to this direction. Well, that's not very nice of you to do, sir. Alright, do you have like multiple layers of protection? I think so. That took a long time to kill him. Alright, we have 9 now, so we only need 7 more. I think we can do it. His base is only 2 bases away, so that's kind of unfortunate. But I think if we do it correctly, that kind of failed. If we get all these bases, we should be able to do it. I don't know what to do with all the gold though. I don't know if I want to kill him though. I kind of need silverfish, so I'm not going to get to his bed. I don't want to like get his bed and then he falls off the map or something really idiotic. So that's kind of what Bedwars players tend to do. Yeah. Right, I need 3 more. We got this. What do I do with all the gold I get though? Aha, we finally have enough. Alright, let me go to his base now. We got this, dude. Sponges are great, okay? You can bridge with them, and you do great. You can... What did I say? What did I say? Basically, what I'm gonna do now, instead of waiting to use all my silverfish on the last person, I'm just gonna be using them, like, as I would with fireballs. And use them, like, get a couple every time I go to someone's base. And that sounds like a way better idea, because then you're actually using them to, like, knock back people. So yeah, pretty cool. And we're going up against 100 stars, so he's somewhat competent. He's dead now, though. So I have to win this game and do the outro before the timer's done. Come on, get this. Yeah. Poop, what you doing, huh? Die, dude. 10 out of 10. Huh? What you gonna do, huh? Die, finally. Let's go. Can I hit this guy off? Oh man, I missed them all. Why'd that guy rush after me? He was a 1-tap. I don't think he was gonna flawless me. Although now he might. Jeez. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. I steal your kill and I get the final. No one has fun around here but me. Alright, so now I have 3 more silverfish. So I should be fine as long as I don't get hit off the map. There's only 3 minutes left. That's not really great. What the heck is this guy? Silverfish, hit him off. Do something. Silverfish, you're lame. Silverfish, do something. Thank you, Silverfish. You actually finally did something. Come on, can I get this bed? If these my silverfish have to be somewhat decent, like. Okay, you know what? You know what? I'm fine with that. I am perfectly fine with that. The silverfish helped me get the bed. Now I can keep him alive to interrogate him and ask him questions whether or not he liked the silverfish. He said, of course not. Whoa. Are silverfish the way to go for bridge fights? They could be, honestly. I mean, they do knock you back like 1 block, so if you do it perfectly, they can hit you off. You know, well, yeah, that might be the new meta, you know? Silverfish. I mean, this is the whole reason I made this video, okay? So, I made a video a long time ago about the bridge egg, and around the same time, everyone else was like, yo, the bridge egg is overpowered. No, it's like, I know I just made a video about it. So, and then, I was talking about, I made a video, and I think it was in my vibey Bedwars, but I made a video, I was just saying how the sponges are super underrated, and then like a week later, everyone and their grandma were using sponges, and I was like, what is this? So right now, I'm making this video so that I don't get beat to a video, okay? I've been on top of things lately, so, come on, we got Silverfish OP. Alright, let's go. I knew I could have gone for him and killed him, but come on, I gotta get the silverfish. It's part of the challenge. 2 a.m. is 1 minute over. Come on, can we win this game in 1 minute? Yo, we can't do it. We can't. No, yo, 2 a.m. is over. Alright, this challenge is no longer 2 a.m. Bedwars. Just kidding. Oh yeah, this guy. Hold on. Can I do this? Come on, silverfish, get him, dude. Flawless with silverfish, silverfish combo, flawless, dude. I'm on it. I'm the great. Subscribe to my IGN on YouTube. Alright, well, that's gonna wrap it up for 2 a.m. Bedwars. We did it, boys. We won. Alright, I'm in a weird spot for this outro because why not? So, guys, if you liked the video, of course, and if you guys want to see more, subscribe, like. I already said like, but shut up. Okay, do it. Just do it.